Today, let's get your live dev server set up on a mobile device so you can actually see what you're working on. If you're using a framework, it's super easy, but it's a little different for each one. If you're using Next.js, you actually don't have to do really anything. You get this network link right here, which you can copy and paste onto a phone right from the start. If you're using Vue or Nuxt or Svelte, then you can get the same link using one extra step. At the end of npm run dev, add on this host 0000, and then you can get that same network link, with Nuxt giving you an extra benefit of a little QR code in your terminal. Then, if you're building a vanilla project, modify your live server like this. Go to your live server extension, head up to the little wheel and settings. Then down here, we can modify our host to that same 0000. You might need to find your device IP address here in Wi-Fi settings. And once you do, you can head to go live like normal. Then in your phone, go IP address, port number, and you're up and running on mobile. Enjoy your next video.